Hello everybody, welcome to another update on the stock screener. Today we're going to trash the silver miners. Remember that in my last video I said don't buy the silver miners. If you had listened to me, then you would at least not have such losses. And let's go through some of them because they have earnings. They have had some earnings. First one, Endeavour Silver. So they got some earnings yesterday. Strong production. Let's go to the Endeavour Silver chart. Well, I agree that production is pretty strong, but it has gone down a bit. Now, what's the problem with Endeavour Silver? Endeavour Silver has the following problem. All-in sustaining cost has gone up to 20.9. So that's a 20.9 net of byproduct gold. So the real AISC is around 22.9. So I have updated this, and this is the result at current silver price of 20.75. Let's use 20.75. So this is our valuation chart. And as you can see, we are at 600 million market cap, and this should be valued at 0. Okay, 0. Estimated value is 0, and this is the value when you add Terronera with it. This is the value when you add Paral with it. But eventually these two projects will not come online in the next 2 years. So the real value is probably going to 0. Okay. And that's exactly what's happening now with Endeavour Silver. It's quickly going to here. Next one, First Majestic Silver. First Majestic Silver, I said many years ago when it was here, I asked myself, is this in an uptrend or a downtrend? I said downtrend, and many people think that it's going up, but eventually it goes to its real value, which is also almost 0. So let's take a look at the earnings. All-in sustaining costs, 20.87. Where can I find it? Let's go to First Majestic. All-in sustaining cost was 17.26. And it has gone up to 20.87. Yeah, for AISC. 20.87. So that's gone up. That's not good. And Jared Canyon, which is the gold mine that they bought, has gone up to 2,488. This is amazing. From 1,700 to 2,488. This is loss making. So let's add 12 May. Silver price is 20.68. And what do we see here? 0. What's the market cap right now? 1.938. 1.938. So as you can see, it's completely overvalued. It was already overvalued here, and now it's coming back to its real value, which is 0. So that's our next silver miner that is going to here eventually. Okay, so the next one, let's take Pan American. What do we have here? Pan American Silver. What's the AISC here? We have, oh, this is good. 13.41, but gold is up. Where is my AISC here? Yeah, I take byproduct gold. I don't have any. Where is the byproduct gold? AISC. Can't seem to find it. Okay, so no data here. But let's just say that the AIC is the same. Then we have silver 20.71 and market cap 4.453. Then it's still overvalued. So it's here, market cap, and it should actually be half that amount. So the valuation has gone down to my estimate, but it still has a long way to go lower. Okay, so the next one, let's go to Avino Silver. That's also a silver mine. And we got some financial results. And what is the AISC? Equivalent payable ounce, 19.9. So that's higher than the 17, 19.9. And the production was 457.8. 457.8. So it's coming from here. 457.8 times 4 times 1000. I don't understand this number. Why is it so low? $457. So last quarter, it was 500 times 4 is around 2 million. And now it's only 1.8 million. So they said that they would go to 3 million this year from 2.5 million, and instead it goes down to 1.8 million. I mean, these are not good numbers. And this is using AIC of 20. So this is our new data point. This is abysmal. 70 million market cap. And we didn't even update the silver price. Is now at 20.73. And we get this 0. Okay, 0. So Avino Silver was good, as you can see here, and now it has dropped to a valuation of 0. Unbelievable. Okay, next one. Let's look at the chart. Yeah, this is not good, going well. The trend is going to here. Do we have Great Panther? Yeah, Great Panther. I don't have any charts. But this is also not doing well. Let's take to have Alex go. This is probably not even producing yet. So we don't even need to look at this. But at the price of 20.8, I actually need to update this chart because 20.8 is not even on here. So let's go here and then go here. So 20.8 is around 120 NPV. 20.8. Yeah, around 120 to 150-ish NPV. Okay, it's fair value right now. But they still need to get into production. Okay. Next one is, let's take Fortuna Silver. With current silver price of 20.8. And gold price 18.25. We have 802 market cap. So this is actually the market cap, and the valuation is actually higher. So this is one of the silver miners that has hope. This silver miner has hope. Actually, it's a gold miner. They should rename to Fortuna Gold. Let's take a look at the AISC. Lindero was 1038. I have updated it. And 1438, I have also updated it. Let's check again. 1038. So it has actually come down. One of the mines that actually can reduce costs. 1038. Okay. And then the Yaramoko mine is going to 1147. Okay, let's 1147. Production 30,000. Yep, that's 28.787. That's almost the same. So this is actually a very good operation. So this is the only silver miner slash gold miner that I like. And what's the AISC of Kailoma and San Jose? 15, so it has gone up a bit. And Kailoma has gone down, 17. So it's around 17. One has gone up and one has gone down. So we're pretty okay here. This looks very good. So what do we have left? I think I covered many of them. Many are going, let's take a look at Gato Silver. Silver price is at 20.75. Market cap 196. So it has come down. Market cap is 200, so it's pretty fair value. The problem is they don't have a lot of mine life, so nobody wants to invest in this company. But it's very cheap. Problem is that nobody wants it. Let's take a look at Max Silver. Max Silver, pure silver mine. And we have a silver price of 20.75. So that's somewhere here. So that's around 1.5 billion NPV. And valuation is 20.75. Valuation is worth 800 million. 800 million, and now it's at 1.218. So it's still overvalued, but at least this will not go to zero. Could come down 20-30%, but this is at least not going bankrupt. But stock price has not done that well. Next one, SilverCrest Metals. SilverCrest Metals at current silver price 20.75. Yeah, this is one of the low-cost producers which will never go bankrupt. 911. Oh, this has come down a lot. But at current silver prices, we are fair value. So this is actually one of the silver mines that I also like, because this will never go bankrupt. They have an AIC of 6.68. And they are almost in production. As you can see here, they are now at 95.7% completion of the Las Chispas mine. So, yeah, almost in production, but I don't see any upside here. It's fair value. Let's take, I think I covered a lot of them. Maybe we want to revisit Sierra Metals, which is also a silver mine, just for the sake of it. 131 market cap. And here we use the copper price, which is at 4.08. And you can see that it's not doing well. So there's still downside to 100 million. And their latest AIC was around 4. So this is also going to zero eventually, if they can't get their operations up. And it is quickly going to there. Do I have America's gold and silver? Yes. This is don't even know what this does. They had blockades. This is a exploration project, and this one is almost in production, so not sure what I need to do here. But the silver price is 20.8. But why am I looking at this? This is not even a silver mine. This is a gold mine. As you can see here, also not doing very well. I think we also have Kerr Mining, which is not a silver mine anymore. But let's take a look. Going straight down. I said that it was overvalued. Let's take a look at the AIC. I'm very intrigued. No AIC numbers. That's impossible. Adjusted CAS. That's the all-in cost, I think. 730 and 12 for this mine. 22, 1700, which is rising. Okay, also rising. This is also rising by $1. This is also rising. This is not good. 1600, also rising. But anyway, let's just take 1850 and AIC. Let's add 100 to that. Then we still have 1.7 billion of EBITDA valuation, and it's now at 867. So it's actually undervalued. So this is an interesting one to look at. But when you look at the costs, they are just going up. So it's not looking very well for this mine as well. Costs are rising. Hecla also not doing well, has been cut in half. Let's take a look. Silver production of 3.3 million. That's almost the same. AISC of 7.64. That's better than expected. Sales have been going down actually. Profit is down. EBITDA is down. Gold produced is down. So it's not good. So that's why this one has also not done very well. So let's use our gold price here. And silver price is now 20.8. Then we have a valuation of 1.2 billion. And the market cap is 2.2 billion. So yeah, it's still overvalued. It's valued at 1.2 billion and it's 2.2. So it can crash 50%. But it's a pretty cheap mine at an AIC of around 7. So I don't think that this company will go bankrupt, but it's overvalued. So it can come down to around here. So that concludes this update on the silver miners. And you can see that a lot of them are going to zero at the current silver price. So I would stay out of the silver miners. The only one that I like is Fortuna Silver, and the others I would just avoid them. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.